Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. Today I am really excited because I am adding something into my decor and I've never really used them before. You're probably wondering what I'm talking about. Well, it's sunflower decor and I have just fallen in love with it. I've had a few things here and there that have like sunflowers on it, but I really kind of wanted to put sunflowers throughout and make the rest of my summer decor look bright and festive and kind of transition into that fall period. Dare I say fall? Anyway, I'm going to clean as I go and also put up some decorations. I have all of the things that I want to use on the counter, so I'm going to show you that first before I start cleaning. All right, here is the stash that I'm going to be using. I have a couple of table runners and some placemats. These I just purchased at Michael's, like on their 90% off spring clearance. So I got these for like 50 cents a piece and they're great for Easter, but I thought that they went really nicely with the sunflowers. Let me see if I can show you. Look how pretty that is. And then also with some of the greenery. Then I just have like some other placemats and a wood slice and a wreath. And then I still have all my brown bottles and I got this huge jar at Michael's too. So I really want to incorporate that. A couple candles from Big Lots, some greenery that you see throughout. And then I also have some dried florals and a few sunflowers. And then some risers, plates, and candlesticks. So let's get cleaning so we can add this to my table and buffet. So I was going to use these under the green plates, but they didn't quite look right. So I kind of like them stacked up with that natural look and then also this color. I'm going to put these on my buffet. And then this was on my table, but I think I'm going to move it to the buffet also and kind of switch stuff up a little bit. So I just have a few things left that I want to use on this shelf right here, but I wanted to show you, I got this at Dollar Tree. How cute is that? It's really nice for $1. So hopefully your Dollar Tree has these because they are really good quality. This tray that I just placed on the table, I just wanted to show you. It came from Hobby Lobby and it had like a red rooster motif, kind of like a French country thing. Well, it really didn't go with my theme anymore, so I pulled that off and I showed that over on Instagram a couple weeks ago. So if you're not following me over there, be sure to follow us on Instagram because I do a few other different things over there. But yeah, look how rustic and beautiful this turned out. I really love the handles. So I am going to repurpose this and use it in the center of my table. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I was on the hunt for some chairs. I bought 2 from Wayfair, and then I found the same exact chair on Amazon for a whole lot less money. So I'm going to link these X-back chairs for you. They are solid wood, and they do come in different colors. I'm just not sure what I want to stain them yet, or even leave them natural. So I just bought natural. That way I can make up my mind later on. And I also got some extra chairs. Let me show you what those look like. These are my overflow chairs, and they are the metal farmhouse chairs. I love them so very much. I totally forget what color these were. I will have to look that up, but I will also put these in the description box below. These are from Amazon, and I believe all 4 of them were like $110 total. So like a little over $25 a piece. I believe that they hold like 320 pounds each. So these are very high quality and very well made. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video, but don't click off yet because I'm going to show you all the afters. The dining room is my absolute favorite room to decorate, so I figured I would start off with that first. I still have my kitchen and living room to do, so I'll be taking you along for that too. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos that I have coming up. Alright, and also hit the like button if you like decorating videos. You guys are going to have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!